everyone, welcome back to my channel Some Sprint. So today we are going to talk about the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting allows us to automatically apply formatting like colors, icons, data bars to cells based on their values, making it easier to identify trends, patterns or outlines our data, right? So condition formatting is used to maintain the status of result easily. So let's get on it and then see how to use the condition formatting in Excel. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. I will be very thankful for that. So I do have this data with me, right? So let's start with the basic conditional formatting. So what I want to check, like for in this range in salary, I want to check highlight the values which is we can say greater than 65,000 or less than 65,000, right? So what we need to do, we need to select the range and then go to conditional formatting and under the home page. So go to condition formatting and then here in the first one, so what it says, the highlighting cells rule. So if we want to check anything and greater than, so anything greater than, here I have put 80,000, so let's say 65,000. So we and here you can select if you want to get in red, light red, yellow fill, green fill, so whatever the color you want, you can pick it from here and then click OK. So it has given me the values where these values are greater than 65,000. So the another rules, we can say I want to check the values less than 65,000, right? So I want to make it yellow, right? Click OK. So it has given me these values. And then let's check the another condition. Here we want to check the values between 65,000 to let's say 79,000, right? So gives me with another, let's say the red color. So click OK. So there are two values here, right? And then the another condition formatting we can do here, if you want to get like any equals to 65,000, 75,000, you can apply in that. And then if you want to get any duplicate values, so you can say I want to check the duplicate values. So give me like red border. So that has given me the red borders here. Okay, so here we do have the red borders for the duplicate values. So in this way, this is the basic condition formatting. So let's clear all of these conditions, the formatting we have done here. So to clear all of the rules, what we need to do, we need to go back to condition formatting and then clear the rules. So we want to clear the rules from the selected cells or the entire sheet. We want to clear the rules from the entire sheet here. So I'm just selecting this one. So it will take all the rules away, right? So the next one, let's select the same range here and then let's jump on the next one, top and bottom rules. So here if you want to get your top 10 items, we just simply click here and then whatever the color you want to get, it will give you that color, right? And then the next one, it's saying top 10 percentage, it will give you like top 10 percentage, it will whatever the color you want, red text, it will give you in whatever the condition you applies here in that in the same way, right? So if you want to check the bottom 10 items, you can click here, bottom 10 percentage. So these are the rules we can also apply, right? So let's clear this one again. So clear the rules. So we are clear the rules from the entire sheet. So we have clicked on the entire sheet. So the next one is that data bars. If you want to make the want to add a color in your data bar, so we have the options here. So you can select any option whatever you want here. Let's say we are going to with the red bar, right? So when sorry, we need to select the range and then go to conditional formatting, data bar, and then select the range. So it will give us the data bar. It will give us that data bar as well, right? So in this way we can do. Let's clear this one as well. So the next one is the color scale. If you want to give any color, suppose we are going to check like the lower values, medium values, and then the higher values. So we have given like in this here, if we select this one here, what we can see, whatever the values in 55,000, it has given us in red color, right? So whatever the values it has above 60k, so it has given us yellow values. Whatever the values are more than what we can say 90k, it has given us in green, right? So in that way we can also give the color scales. So let's clear this rule as well. Also clear the rules from the entire sheet, right? So I have selected the same range, and then see if you want to apply the new rule, right? So in this range, what I want to check, if I want to format the cell if the salary is less than or equals to 65,000. So I'm going to give it formula and then do the format based on that formula, right? So let's say select the range and then go to conditional formatting, and then here we are going to apply a new rule. Click on new rule, and then we need to go to use a formula to determine which cells to format, right? Here what we are providing it a formula. What we are saying if this value is less than or equals to this one, right? And then go to format. Here if you want to change the number, if you want to change the font, bold, italic, regular, whatever the font you want, if you want to change the border, you can do it here. If you want to change the color, so I am giving it light green if the value is more than 60 less than or equal to 65,000, right? Apply. Okay, so it has given everything, it has given me in green, but this doesn't look correct, right? Why it doesn't look correct? Let's undo this one and then see where we have done incorrect, right? So what we have given the condition, applied the new rule here under the formula. We have it because whatever the range we selected here you can see the dollar signs here. So it means this is fixed. So all of the other cells are looking to this cell only. So that's why it has given us the incorrect answer. So here's right. So we have applied this rule. So if we delete this dollar, we make it dynamic, then it will give us the correct answer. See, now we have the correct answer. So where we have given the condition wherever it is more than 65,000 or equal to 65,000, make it highlight it in green color, right? So these are the values which are greater than or equal to 65,000. If you want to edit the rules, and then what we need to do, we are selecting the same range and then go to conditional formatting and then manage rules, right? When we have this applied this rule here, and then what we need to do, we need to click on the edit rules. Here we can see this rule we have applied here, right? So let's copy this one here and then click OK, and then click OK, and then paste it here. So wherever the condition matches, it gives us true. Wherever the condition doesn't match, it gives us false. So it gives us true or false values as well, right? So here we can also check it there. So let's say we have changed this one to 85,000, right? So it will changes. Let's say we have changed this value to 91,000. So let's say 75,000. So it has changes automatically. So this is dynamic. If we fix the cell that is not dynamic, it applies to all of the range based on the cell we selected, because that was fixed cell. So that's why we need to make it dynamic. We need to delete the dollar sign values from our formula, right? So let's check with the other one. So what we want to check here, we want to check highlight the department. Suppose I want to highlight the department, sales department. I want to make it highlights, right? So we are going to apply the conditions here as well, apply the new rules, right? And then go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here what we are going to apply, we are going to apply equal to this cell equals to sales, right? And then format that one into, let's say we are going to format that one in this color, right? There's no changes at all. So let's go to manage rules and then edit the rule. So we are going to edit this one, edit rules. So what we have, so all of the other cells are based on looking at the cell we have given them, because this is not dynamic, this is again fixed. So that's why we need to change the dollar sign. We need to remove the dollar sign, right? So let's apply this one now. Click OK. Now it has highlighted our whatever the condition we have given them. So let's check if we want to change it to let's say accounting, right? We are going to edit the rules, and then here we have changed it to accounting, or even we can also let's say accounting here, right? Instead of writing it down there, what we can give, let's delete this one. So select the range and then go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and then edit rules. We have given it accounting here. Instead of accounting, we are going to select the cell. So we are selecting this one now. We need to fix this one, so that's why we are using the dollar sign. If we need to make it dynamic, remove the dollar sign value here. Click OK and then click OK. Now we can change it to payroll. Highlight the payroll only. Click OK, it will highlight the payroll. So in this way we can do the formatting as well, whatever the formatting we want. We can also provide the formulas in our formatting conditions. So this is very easier, very helpful. Hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon button, and then see you again with a new and interesting video. Thanks for now. Bye.